Hello guys, today we're going to talk about how to express likes and dislikes. And for expressing likes and dislikes, we have different expressions that we can use to express likes and dislikes, okay? So remember that for expressing likes, we have I like, repeat after me, I like. Now you have I love, which is these two are the most common ones. Now you have I adore, I adore. Other expression is I'm crazy about, I'm crazy about, I'm crazy about. Then you have a synonym that is am mad about, or I am mad about. I enjoy, I'm keen on. Okay? Remember that all of those are synonyms. Okay? They express likes. Okay? So I like, I love, I adore, I'm crazy about, I'm mad about, I enjoy, I'm keen on. Okay? Let's continue with the how to express dislikes, okay? I don't like, I dislike, I hate, I abhor, which is different with adore, abhor. Then you have I can't bear, I can't bear, I can't stand, and I detest, okay? I detest. Now we have I like, I dislike, I hate, I abhor, I can't bear, I can't stand, I detest. Okay? Now we have this um these examples for you to contextualize. So I'm crazy about basketball. I'm crazy about basketball, which means I like basketball, or I adore reading poetry, okay? Which is I like reading poetry, okay? These are positives, these express likes, and these express dislike, okay? For example, I can't stand ice hockey, okay? Or I hate doing housework, okay? I hate doing the housework, okay? These expressions express dislikes, okay? Now let's bring on some other examples. For example, with my personal likes, I am going to give you my personal likes. I love pizza. I love pizza. Or I enjoy I enjoy cooking. I enjoy cooking, or I enjoy reading. Okay? These are my examples. Now I am going to express my dislikes. Now I am going to say I dislike motorcycles. I dislike motorcycles. Okay? And here, other expression, I can't bear, I can't bear cleaning the house. I can't bear cleaning the house. And if you notice, here, with these verbs, with I like, I love, I adore, I'm crazy about, with these expressions and these expressions for dislikes, likes and dislikes, the verb, if next to this expression there is a verb, the verb is with ing, okay? The verb goes with ing. For example, I like listening to music. I hate wearing sunglasses. Okay, so always we have the expression to express likes and dislikes, and if we have a verb, the verb goes with ing. Okay, remember that. But now we have a neutral expression, and for this neutral expression, that it means that it doesn't express likes, it doesn't express dislike. It is I don't mind. I don't mind. Esta expresión es neutral, no expresa ni gusto ni disgusto, como que no me importa. Entonces, I don't mind. Pero también, si siguiente a esto va un verbo, el verbo debe ir con ing, así como cuando expresamos gustos y disgustos. Okay? I don't mind. Okay? So, for instance, here we have I don't mind doing the homework. Okay? One example, my personal example, is I don't mind playing soccer. I don't mind reading. Okay? Very good. All right. Now, remember that we can say very much or a lot, very much, mucho, or a lot, mucho. And this is to express mucho más, okay? For example, I like basketball very much, okay? A mí me gusta el basketball mucho, okay? This is the way, okay? I like basketball very much, but never I like very much basketball, okay? This very much or a lot goes at the end of the sentence, okay? Siempre va al final de la oración. Primero va lo que me gusta y luego ahí sí le agrego el mucho, okay? Okay, guys, this is all for today. I hope you understood the lesson. So we will keep practicing on our guides and examples from the class.